Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can activate the WhatsApp application on your Tecno Spark 2022. So if you need a second WhatsApp account for your work, for example, with the separate contacts, numbers, message of course, I'm gonna show you two tricks for that. The first one is by opening the Play Store, then go to the search bar and look for the WhatsApp, but not for the normal app, look for the WhatsApp business. Just install this one, and by this little way, we have two WhatsApp accounts and apps on one phone. So that was the first method. Now the second one, go to the search bar like before and look for the dual space app. Choose one of them and launch it. Now tap on to agree and continue and choose allow. Now tap on the WhatsApp icon and whole process starting automatically, and now we are creating next WhatsApp application on our phone. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.